Hey, how's it going? What we're going to go over today in Re-Up Nation is your Google Ads. So this is another outlet you can use for marketing. They're very popular. This is what appears at the top of the search page when you're searching for certain keywords like sell my iPhone Houston. It is a little bit more expensive than I would say your Facebook ads. You're spending about $30 to $40 a day on average. The lead cost about $10 to $20, and your cost per click is a little bit over $1 to $3. So when you're setting up your Google Ads, you want to always choose web traffic. We'll have a little bit more in-depth tutorial about setting up your how to set up a Google ad campaign. But that's basically it. What I'm going to go ahead and do is show you what a Google ad looks like to a customer when they're searching how to sell a phone. So let's just go ahead and do sell my phone in Houston. You'll see that the top results are all ads. Um, I clicked on some already, buyback, declutter. It's worth more. But if you want to run a campaign, we can show you how to set that up. And we also have people who could set up campaigns for you. These are some competitors that you would have if you're in Houston. But there's also other ways to get on the top of that Google page. Um, we know that you could, rank yourself on the map, or you could do your SEO to the point where you're at the top here. But at the top of every Google search, most of the time you're gonna see your Google ads. So if you want to start a Google ad campaign, we can help you with that. And that's just a quick overview of how you could integrate this into your site and start doing outreach on Google. Thanks.